Hey guys, good afternoon. So yeah, we've been out for a week because we're so busy. All the stuff at school is coming down, like it's our finals. So yeah, we went back to hunt Hot Wheels here at Toys R Us Brentwood and showing you this beautiful cars like exotic and big car culture. I think they've been sitting here for a week now because I went back here last week and they still haven't picked up by someone, and I don't think Toys R Us Brentwood is planning to restock this stuff sooner because no one's picking up all the old stock here. So it's been a while since I saw even a treasure hunt or a chase. And just to let you know guys, this is Toys R Us Brentwood, Calgary, Alberta. So if you're looking for like exotic and big car culture, they got all the set except Porsche. I believe they do have Lamborghini. They got McLaren as well, and I'm looking at this Hot Wheels Ultra Hots, and then I'm going back to this Porsche. As you can see, they still have this Bugatti. After this one, I might go check Toys R Us McLeod or Walmart McLeod, see if they do have something interesting here. I'm just showcasing all this display that they got from Brentwood, just in case someone's looking for this type of cars. They do have this Porsche 911, but we already got those, and then another Porsche here. And for the record, I'm not just buying like Hot Wheels or Matchbacks or 164 ratio. I'm also collecting 124, 148, you name it. As long as it's diecast, we're gonna get it. Oh, just in case someone's looking for this BMW and then the Boss 302, they have this here in stock at Brentwood. They also have the Gran Torino Ford. And you don't have to worry, I'm gonna show you all the main lines that they got as well in these stores. But for now, I'm just showing you this bunch of stocks here that I wish could be picked up by someone. They also have a complete set of hot wagons, just in case someone are looking for this Chevy and the Volvo. Then as promised, I'm gonna show you all the Hot Wheels main lines that they have, just in case someone's looking for this. But I'm not gonna go thoroughly on this one as I'm not interested in collecting this stuff. So I think until next time, see you again guys. Have a good one.